going on, YouTube? In this video, we're going to be doing a Samsung Note 20 Ultra back glass, and we're going to be removing it, hopefully without breaking it. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to heat this up, and we'll get some pry tools and we'll get going. So I'm going to put this on my heater. After I heat the back glass up, I have this tool. It's called a magic glass tool. It's just a thin piece of metal. I like to try to get it in there, get it started. People call me old school or whatever. I'm good with that. I've been repairing phones probably since they were babies. So we get it started so we can get our plastic piece in there. The corners are the... So when we get to the corner, you're going to want to be careful. And just keep on slowly. You know, we may break this. Sometimes it's a pain to get them off. I think what I'm going to have to do, since I had somebody come in, is heat it up for a couple more minutes. All right, it's been a minute on there. So we got the bottom corner pretty well lifted, and we're working our way up to the top. If yours is broken, you don't even need to worry about this. We just got to get it off on yours. I'm trying to do it to save it. So you can see I worked it in that corner. So essentially now, it wants to come up, but the issue that I always pose is this side has not a straight edge. So if you're slow with it, there we go. So at this point, if we had a broken back glass, we would pull out our back glass. As you can see over here, I have a white one. We would pop this off because it's just glued on there, and then stick it back on there. It's just the microphone for the rear facing camera. Pop off these little plastic connectors. Make sure this is glued down really good, and then slap it on. So what I'm going to be doing is slapping back on this one. And since we didn't damage the glue whatsoever, we're able to reuse it. So putting it back together, you notice the frame is a little different. What I'm going to do is power it up. And we're going to do a test. Cameras seem to be working fine. So there you go. If we did replace the back glass, what we'd want to do is go through each camera and test them. But we already did that, and test the microphone to make sure that, you know, everything's working there. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. And yeah, we could have put this one on, but we put this one back on. Again. Yeah. Perfect. Hit that like and subscribe button.